The EMIT SmartLog Pro 2 verifies the functionality of an operator's wrist strap and footwear, logs the test results, and controls access to an ESD Protected Area. All operator test activity is logged into the SmartLog Pro Manager web app to meet the ANSI ESD S20.20 requirement for an ESD Control Plan. The SmartLog Pro 2 features a 7-inch colored touchscreen display. Operator's name and test results are displayed, along with an audible pass and fail alarm. The embedded RFID proximity reader can be programmed on-site to allow operators to use their existing employee badges as their identification method. Dedicated wrist strap jacks allow single wire and dual wire testing. A dedicated Ethernet port allows for ongoing network communication with the option to enable Wi-Fi for a wireless connection. The dual footplate design offers simultaneous testing of the left and right ESD footwear. SmartLog Pro Manager automates the collection of ESD personal grounding devices and maintain records for compliance verification plan as required by ANSI ESD S20.20. It includes functions for tracking operator testing, leave times, shift, and department assignments, and ESD training accreditation. SmartLog Pro Manager generates automated reports that may be emailed to track short-term and long-term corrective actions. Management of the SmartLog Pro 2 testers through the web app allows remote changes to the display settings, test limits, and test parameters. The SmartLog Pro 2 is manufactured on the West Coast in Chino, California facility. This facility is equipped with all the resources to manufacture and assemble the SmartLog Pro 2. Each SmartLog Pro 2 is thoroughly tested and calibrated to ensure optimal performance prior to shipping. Desco Industries prides itself on manufacturing primarily in the United States, with additional facilities in the United Kingdom and Japan. For more information on the SmartLog Pro 2, EMIT, or Desco Industries, please contact customer service.